Okay. Hello. Hi. Alright, my audio is here. My audio exists. This is going to be a chill stream. This is going to be very calm and very quiet. This is the first time I'm in the just chatting category, so we're going to see how that goes. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to code live on stream. Because why not? I'm going to have music on in the background, but I'm going to make sure that the world can't hear it. No, what should I have? Let's do, yeah. I made my choice. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so I've got the stream open and I can't hear it, which is a good sign because I can't be copyright stricken, which is going to be great. Yeah, alright, I'm going to mute the stream so I'm not just talking with an echo. Hop in the Discord and let's shout at some people. Let's do. Oh God, sorry. It's sleepy time, you know. Okay, Control C. Hold on, we're still getting something sorted out here. What's wrong with this? What's a file link? Why can't I send that? Oh, that's interesting. 176 hours. That's alright. Alrighty. Let's get chat open. Who we got in chat? Who have we got in chat? Let's get some conversation happening because that's why we're here, isn't it? To have a little chat. Chat by the fire. Oof. Well, whatever. Let's switch over. What you got? Can you read that code? It doesn't matter much. It's only for me. Right now, what we're doing is we're taking this is half code or faux code, and it is essentially a line of code that is not actually code, but is instead the gist of the code, right? So on click swap, if none of this actually means anything at all, but it will eventually. For now, we're making noughts and crosses. We've got no one on stream. That's a shame. Let's change that, man. How do I? Whatever. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So let's have a look. Let's have a look through what we've got here. Let's throw another picture box on here. Okay, so I think we need Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay. No. Maybe slightly smaller. Control Z, Control C, Control V. There we go. Almost. Okay. Hey man, we've got 2 people in chat. Let's get a conversation happening. Let's get some talking. Right now we're making noughts and crosses. Oh, fuck. God, sorry, it's very difficult to do things with that. Control V. Struggling. A little bit more. There we go. I'd call that pretty much even. But of course, we can move it across a little way if we want to. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. So now, yeah, we've got this whole mess. Let's just delete all that because it's not necessary. Let's name these pick. Yeah, I mean, there's only 9 of these. Pick box 1. Let's just Control C, Control V to Control V3, Control V4, Control V5, Control V6, Control V7, Control V8, Control V9. Okay. So we've got this. Okay, we've got this going now, and yeah, got this going. Okay, so now if I hit this, this is the split, right? Let's make it work once, and then we can. Okay, so when you click on a box, there's a thing. So what variables are we going to need? So we're going to need 2 booleans. Yep, we're going to need 2 booleans. So we're going to need yeah, we're going to need edit, comma space. Fuck it, EDT will work. Edit as boolean and noughts or crosses. N slash O is boolean, right? Is that okay? Okay, so if I go in here, N slash O equals no slash O equal no. Okay, so that's just, I don't like that. It doesn't like that. Let's go. Ah, indent. There we go. Edit N or not O. Okay, let's just do, no, that's fine. Yeah, okay, cool. So we've got those. So if I had O equals true, that would vibe with it and it wouldn't. Okay, good. So we're going to need a set of points to which it can. Let's get a sheet of paper and write down some notes. So what do we need? We have ourselves a little chessboard, right? A little checkerboard, 1, 2, 3, 4, with 9 lines, 9 spaces, and we have 9 spaces. And every time you click on a space, it checks 2 things: whether or not it is crosses or naught's turn, and whether or not the space is editable. Which means that we need 9 booleans. Okay. Control C, enter. Dim, Control V1, comma space, Control V2, comma space, Control V3, comma space, Control V4, 4, comma space, Control V5, comma space, Control V6, comma space, Control V7, comma space, V8, Control V9, as boolean equals false. Why is that tagging as incorrect? Okay, whatever. I don't like this blue line. I want to get rid of this blue bar. They won't let me. Okay, whatever. Whatever, it's okay. Why would we hit F11? Something happened. I don't know what happened. Something happened. No. Okay, so we're not allowed to set them all as false. Currently they hold no value. That's okay. That's okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this, and we're gonna write Control C, Control V. Oop. Sorry, Control V. No, okay, fine. I just like that again. Control C, Control V, equal false. God damn it! I tried. If I do equal false enter, yeah, that works. Okay, so I've got to do this bit of code. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, enter, 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 wait. Come on, behave. There we go. Enter, enter, enter. Okay, cool. Let's get rid of all of these weird things. Okay. Okay. So 1 to 9 equals false. What this means is that oh, have I done it the wrong way around? Hold on. Yes, I have. I've done it the wrong way around. Fuck. That's okay though. We can take edit. Control C. Oh, can I be bothered? This takes more work to unpick, so let's just rewrite this first. EDT, right? Yeah, okay, cool. So we can take EDT, Control C, cool. Control V, Control V, Control V. I will edit it and fix it later. Okay, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. And then, right, and now we need to replace this. So we're going to take this. I'm going to say Control C. I'm going to take. We're going to select this right here, and a little trick is if you select something and press Control V, it just replaces it, which is really handy. So I can just pop up, now, there we go, and that one, and then finally, comma, 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 comma. This is ugly coding. Let's sort this out. This is not nice. This is silly. I should have done it this way the entire time. Shouldn't mess around with the commas. Whatever, it's fine. We just stopped the code from yelling at me. Okay, cool. Alrighty, let's get rid of edit noughts or crosses. We're going to start the game off. Crosses always starts first, so we're going to set that equals true. And then immediately everything can be edited, which means the edit is false. If edit is true, then dot. Yeah, okay, cool. So on form load immediately. So let's just put a little comment in there that tells us this. come on, let's not be so foolish as to not have any ability to type. Jesus, on startup. On startup. Okay, on start all spaces editable. On click swap if that. Okay, so we're probably gonna need 18 other pick boxes. Special little things, aren't we? Yeah, here we are. Okay. What is the size of this square? This is 87 by 90. See, I knew it wasn't a true rectangle. If you increase that to 90, that would become a truer. I don't care about that. It's okay. It doesn't matter. What I do care about, however, is it having the right color. I mean, I know it doesn't technically matter, but this one matters to me because it's button now. It is a button. It is not button control. There we go. Yeah, that's right. Okay, cool. Now we've got a menu like this, and when you load up, it doesn't immediately crash, hopefully. Oh, it doesn't show you guys the thing, does it? That's a shame. Alright, well, I know it works. Doesn't matter. You're here for the coding. You're not here for the result. You're fine. In fact, there's no one in chat. Anyway, I'm talking to myself. But I'd rather talk to myself than no one. You know? You know? You'd rather talk to yourself than no one. You'd rather have an excuse to talk than just scream into the void without... Whatever. Let's not get too experimental with our words. So, on click. Let's have a look at you then. You little sneakle, what have you got for me? Okay, so when you click on the pick box 1, which is the first of the 9 boxes that you can click on, it wants to swap, but it needs to do a series of if statements. So we're going to do okay, so we're going to do edt1 equals true. So it's been edited, which means it can no longer be edited. So we're going to stick on top of this if edt1 equals true, then end if. Right, so we've got a very simple little thing. We need to write a sub, so sub and sub. I have to do that. There you go. Jesus, calm down. Okay. So the sub needs a name. Sub. Error. Sorry, we'll just name it sub error. Sub bracket error. No. How do you do the thing? Sub error. Sub error. Yeah, that's it. Keyword. Oh, got that. Used. So sub used. Okay. So okay. So if edit equals true, then you used bracket. Okay. So then in here we want to load up a fucking label. text of the label is going to be there is already a piece there. I've spelled piece wrong because I always do. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to, yeah, cool. What's our font? Let's change our font. Hey, we got someone in chat. Can that someone speak? It would be great if they could, because I do like talking. There we go, that's the font. Let's go modern number 20. Modern number 20. Bold. Let's make it a size 16, 28. Okay. No, that's. Ooh, it should be message box. It should be a message box. That's what it should be. That's what it should be. Okay. You delete. It should be MSGBOX. Okay, function interaction. Prompt as object. Function. One of them. Okay, cancel, abort, retry, ignore, yes, no. Yes. Message box. So inside the message box, it needs to have text and then a number, right? So it needs to have there is already a piece in that place. Let's fix this. There's already a piece in that place. Yeah. Okay, so we've got that. We've got that fully. Oh God. So we're gonna go ahead and have onload edit 1 equals true, just because we need to test this. So I'm gonna load it not across this. You can't see this, unfortunately. Lena, oh hi Lena, hello. I am coding noughts and crosses. Hey, look at that. Cool. So we got our error message done. You guys can't see that, can you? Can I edit the properties? Capture method. Can I capture an entire window? So plus new display capture. There's a window capture. What if I do the display capture? That's possible. Lena, I'm coding tic-tac-toe. Well, not crosses. Right? Display capture. Yeah, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. What can you see? Minimize that. Oh, you can see that I need to activate Windows. But if I lower it, you can still see that I need to activate Windows. Fuck. Alright, whatever. That's fine. Whatever, you can see all the stuff. But if we start it up. So, this is what we're coding. So far, we've got an error message. So that there's already a piece in that place. If you need that. That's good. And I figured out the message boxes all on my own, which was quite good. So let's just minimize that. So we can minimize that if statement. Next, the if statement needs to be if. So we've got it if it's able to be edited, which is good. No phase, no false. Thank you very much. If and if. Sorry. Hit enter there. If no equals true, then make cross appear. Okay, so that statement is not done, but it's like almost done. So we've got that there. So now we've got to figure out how to make it so that when I click on this right here, a new thing appears. Can this create something out of thin air? Can it clone something? Doesn't intrigue me. Let's stick a reset button on this, because we know we're going to want a reset button. You can just tell that you want a reset button. Yeah. Cool. You btn reset. We're going to go ahead and we're going to stick our font over to be slightly larger. This is 14. Yeah, that's good. You're going to be look at that. That's clean. That's clean. That's fresh. That's funky. Lena, how are you doing with David's assignment? Do you need help? Because I'm happy to give you help. Oh no, I think he's left. That's a shame. Okay, make cross appear. So if let's just minimize all of this real quick. Okay, that's the form. Minimize you, minimize you, minimize you. Okay, so delete. Let's continue moving around. I'm sorry. I haven't done any of it since the lesson because I can't work on it at home. Oh, can you not? Oh, that's a shame. It took me like 20 minutes to set this up. It's not very difficult. It's quite easy to do. It's good. You button reset click. Let's minimize you, select you, and drag you below here, please. Okay, let's continue editing. So on reset button, we want all of this. Control C, Control V. Thank you very much. So now I have a different version on my laptop, and it will only load the form and not the form design. Oof, that doesn't make any sense. Maybe I don't know. Maybe you're clicking the wrong file on the save system. Who knows? I could debug that for hours, but I'm too tired. Alright, let's hit start. Theoretically, right now, I should be able to hit this once, and then after I hit it, there you go. Okay, so you can tap on it twice. So if I hit new game and hit it once and then hit it again, it does that. So look, new game, once, twice, and then it hits me the thing. So what that means now, and I can do this as many times as I want, right? What this means is that we've got a toggle, right? As soon as you click it once, it immediately goes into an inusable state or uneditable state. But when you hit new game, pop, it's now everything is editable again. So you can hit it again, get a new piece down, and then press it again, and it's fucked up. And this is a good thing. This is a very good thing. The reason why this is a good thing is because it is going to stop it from messing up in its you know, its basic version, because we've got pretty much 9. I know it's silly, but we've got 9 checks. So for every space on the board, you need to have a check if there is a piece there or not. Right? And so this, which is the clicking program, so if you click on one of the white boxes, it does this. It runs this little code, and it double checks to see if edit1 equals true. Then, so basically, it asks, is it editable? And if it isn't, it will go to used, which spawns in a little message box and makes you continue. But if it is editable, it goes on and checks, is it noughts or is it noughts or crosses? It should be Nork, not Noro, or it should be Koro. It should be Nork. It should be Nork. It should absolutely be Nork. Right? Is it the only? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, because it's not used anywhere else. Yeah, it should be Nork because it's noughts or crosses. There we go. We've got Nork here. Nork equals true, then make cross appear. How do we make cross appear? We need an else. Oh, sorry, we need a else. Make Nork appear. Okay. And then, so this is how it's going to go, right? This is the code, essentially. It's going to check if you can put a piece down, and then it's going to check which piece it needs to put down. It's going to put down that piece, and then it's going to mark that box as touched, as non-editable, right? And so you're going to do that. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, clear. You know what I can do, which will be interesting. A different day, I can make Connect 4. A different day, I can make Connect 4, which would be really interesting because Connect 4 is a bomb-ass game, and I don't think it would be that hard. Doing gravity in a visual sense would be a little weird, but I think it would just be like you'd hit a button, and each button would just spawn one on the highest available thing. So it'd be like that. But the issue with that is that you can not spot that you've won. But that makes it no different. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's figure out how to make crosses appear, because that is the thing that we're missing the most, right? So if we get a don't need a timer. If we get another picture box, just spawn it just off to the side here. Let's make your fuck it. Let's make you yellow. All right, we're gonna name you Pickaxe. You're gonna be the same size as you. Thank you very much. But you're gonna go all the way off here. What? What the fuck is going on? Escape. Excuse me? Excuse me. Leave the front. Properties. Scroll down. We could just enable and disable them. We could enable and disable them. Night, Lena. Night. We are going to enable and disable them. That's how it's going to be. So I'm going to stick this over here. That's a cross. I'm going to go ahead and stick a disabled on that. Enabled. That's going to be false. Okay, so we go into here, if we hit enter here, pick x dot enabled equals true, right? Oh, this is so annoying. Okay. Why did you mess up? Pick no x. Thank you. Okay, so now we've got pick x. It was true. So theoretically, I won't be able to start it again. Why is that? Ah, that's really annoying. Form load. Hello. There we go. Form load. We've got to make it disabled. So hold on. Control C, Control V. False. Okay, start it up again. Why have we got yellow here? Okay, what am I missing here? What's going on? Visible. Right, it's visible, not enabled. So we need to change it. Visible, right? So enabled equals visible, not e-visible. What would e-visible be? I don't know. So now when we start up, it should be invisible. And then when we hit the button, makes it visible, hit it again, there's already a piece in that place. Look at that, man. That's fucking spectacular. Okay, so now that we've got that, now that we've got the make cross appear, okay, let's do, this is going to be smart here, norc equals false, and then we're going to take norc equals false, Control C, stick it at the bottom of here, and we'll turn it into norc equals true. This means that every time you do it, it's going to change, which is going to be really important. So let's create a new picture box, right? Pick box. Where are you? There you are. A new picture box, right? We don't want you black. We don't want you yellow. We want you yellow, green, active, blue, black, aqua. Let's not pick something ugly. Let's just pick something identifiable. Again, orange, red, whatever. Okay, so we want this to be here. We want this to be here. So we want enabled to be false and visible to be false. Okay. So pick x dot visible equals false. Right? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So now, no, not pick x. Pick O, which doesn't exist. Why does it not exist? Because this has not been named. Pick O. Pico. Pico. Pico dot visible equals true. Okay. And then what we need to do is we need to take into the reset button. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now, hopefully, if I've done everything correctly, we can go ahead and we can take what we've made, have a look at it, have a look at all this goodness. Go ahead and hit this button, and it's going to go there, and then it's going to mark it. That's good. Why has that changed? What? Oh, I see. No, I don't see. Why does it change it? Why does it change it? Oh, why does it change it? It shouldn't change it. Fuck. What's the issue here? Norc equals true, norc equals false. So like it goes through, right? So it's not fucked up. I think it should be the reverse. I think it should be equals false, and then else. Okay. Else. I think I want to move this over to the else side. Just going to press enter there and press enter here. Oops, right. Press enter here. I'm going to take this if statement, we're going to nest it, right? All the way down the bottom here. Okay, so this is nested. And we're going to go ahead and hit false. And I'm doing this on a whim because I'm not entirely sure that this is going to fix the issue, but I would really like it to fix the issue. So we start it now. So click again, click. There we go. Issue fixed. Yeah, okay, cool. What I believe was happening, I'm not 100% sure, but what I'm pretty certain on was that because it was checking it separately, right, and checking the edit separately, it would allow itself to go through the process again when you got out of the message box or something. Because it was, you know, edit and then message box and then this, which I now realize was foolish, because once you go through the message box, you end that if, and then you go into this if statement, and it can go again, right? But you don't want it to go again. So now we've reversed it, where it does this if check, and then it does the used check, and that's important. That's important. So for now, that's important. This is noughts and crosses at its basic level. This is noughts and crosses. Yeah, this is going to allow me to just completely go for noughts and crosses really easily. I need to remember, because I'm making 9 of everything, I need to remember how to make lists. They're not called lists, they're called something else. They're not called stacks, they're called something else. A list, a stack, an array, that's it. Is it like a for edit 1 to 9? No, it's not while. Edit equals I don't know how to do. I'm just throwing shit at a wall. No, throw shit at a wall and hoping something sticks. Let's run that. Just double check that I haven't broken anything permanently. Okay, good. Yeah, because Nork is global, right? Nork is global. That means that it will affect it. Let's go ahead and change that to false, just so we can see what would happen if we did the reverse. Nah, okay. Okay, yeah, okay, but it's still broken, which is good. Sorry, still broken, still used, which is good. So we're just going to see that back to true. Okay. I need to very quickly go through the internet and find out how to do this. So I am, no, I'm still going to be able to see chat. That's good. Oh God, I'm sleepy. Okay. Let's hit it. Let's work. Let's work. Work. Let's hit it. No, not yet. 0, 1. Okay. Yardstone uses pay calculator. Select operation. No, we need an array. Iterative array. Okay. Okay. Oh, does it just say? So if I did, hold on, if I just comment this real quick, I went dim, edit in brackets, 9 bracket as boolean. Is all of that code still going to work? No, no, it is not. It's going to freak the fuck out. Okay. Let's minimize you. Let's minimize you. Let's just get this working. Because if I can get this into an array, that would be beautiful. Whatever, the code's the same as in the top bit. We can just get rid of it. 4. So is it 4? ITD. Sorry. Edit in brackets. Sorry. 4 edit equals 1 2 9. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. You need a variable that's like an integer. Understood. Dim array as integer. Right. Good. So for array next. I don't. So edit. Edit array equals false. Oh shit. I mean, hopefully I'll be able to do that, but right now I don't want to do that. Okay, so theoretically, if I do this code, no, what? Oh, okay. Oh, seriously? You're refusing to? No, okay. If it's not behaving, it's not behaving. An array would have been good, but I can't do it. Okay. An array would have been a cool way to do this, but it's just simply not happening. Okay. Yeah, that's just not happening. Okay. Instead, we're going to make a bunch of these. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to move him upstream. So I can go Control C. Just give it a second. Control V. Oh, Control Z. Fuck. Where's this coming from? Get rid of it. Move this up here. Select you. Control C. Control V. Control V. What are you? Picture box. That's really annoying. Okay, so that's pick X. Okay, so PICX, Control A, Control C. Thank you very much. So we can just hit a 2 onto that one. And Control V3. Control V4. Control V5. Control V6. Control V7. Control V8. Control V9. 9. Okay. So nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7, 8, 9. Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay. Oh, now I do need to clarify actually. That is 6, and that is 5. Okay, cool. That's 8. That's 9 there. That's 9 there. Good. Okay. So, we're going to go shift, and we're going to select all of these motherfuckers, and they are enabled as false. Thank you very much. And they are set visible as false. Thank you very, very, very much. You Control C, Control V. Okay, come on. Control V. Jesus, okay. Right. Pickle, Control C, Control V2, Control V3. Not what I wanted. Control V4, Control V5, Control V6, Control V7, come on, get with the program. Maybe I should have installed this on my C drive. Oh no, don't crash. Come on. There's no reason to be behaving like that. Come on, just take a second. It's okay. It's okay. I didn't mean to rush you. I'm sorry. Oh, come on. Come on, dude. It's not that many assets. It's really annoying. Come on, don't fuck with me here, robot. Ugh. I mean, it's got autosave on it, right? It better. Yeah, it's got autosave. Look at that. So right where we were doing the... how much have we lost? What do you mean opening file? Shut up. Okay, so we've lost quite a bit. That's alright. We can make this up. Okay. Just we have to get rid of that. We have to get rid of that. We have to get rid of that. We have to... It's okay, I just have to fix this. Good. Okay. Cool. Alright, now okay, so if I just quickly hit it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, or did I go 5? No, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, 7, 8. Oh, okay, that's weird. It's weird that it did it this way. It shouldn't be this way. Okay. Okay. So, 2, let's get box 1 under here as well. So let's scroll down, stick that in there, minimize, 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 minimize. There we go. Okay, so let's get rid of all this empty space. There's no reason for it. All of this. Okay. Okay. If X, then X, else do not X. Okie-dokie. So, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If they click on a filled box, let's spell that correctly. I mean, honestly. Okay. So, let's see. Reset button, form load, pick box, 9 to 1. Control C. Okay, so Control V. That needs to be 9. Equal 9. X9. Edit 9. There's no reason for that backspace. Let's just Control C, Control V. Looking at 8, 8, 8, 8. Control V. 7, 7, 7, 7. Minimize, minimize, minimize. Control V. 6, 6, 6, and 6. Minimize, minimize, minimize. Open up. FBI will open up. Hey man, have we got someone in chat? Let's check. Let's check. Users in chat. No one. Okay, never mind. Sorry, I thought there was one in chat. Never mind. whatever. Chat's welcome though. If you can type, please do. I do encourage it heavily. We're just coding up some pretty simple shit. Doing it the slow way. There are no classes, so I can't set things up how it would be really easy to set things up. Because if there were classes, I could assign a like piece class, and I could make 9 of them. I could like write one chunk of code and use the classes and put that code in the classes, and then stick all of these different things into those classes, so that I would have, you know, however many things all in one go. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, 2, minimize, minimize, minimize. Okay, cool. So if I have a look into here, yeah, it's got that. Let's just put that back. So all of these look the same. Let's just go pop, 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 pop. Oh, you need to be minimized. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So we've got 8, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5. Yeah, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay, cool. That's a very good sign. Now we just need to make them a reality. So Control C, Control V. Oh, this is where things took ages. Okay, this is where I was going to Control S. Oh, come on, it's not fucking with me. Okay, so pick X, Control A, Control C. No, not pix. P-I-C-X, Control A, Control C. 2. Oh, fuck's sake, Control V2. There. Control V3. I have to make sure. Which one is this one? What the? How did I do that? Honestly, it's astounding. This is 6. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, fine. Control V4. Control V5. Control V6. Control V7. Control V8. Control V9. Right? If I go ahead and hit this, is it going to let me run the code, or is it going to say... Okay, no. So we're looking at 9 errors. Exactly 9 errors. Which is... It's not actually exactly 9 errors, it's 8 errors. Because all of this fucking shit. All of this fucking shit right here. Okay, okay. Control C and Control S. Control V, Control V, come on, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, cool. Pico 2. Okay, Control A, Control C, Control V 2. Control V 3. Control V4. And Control V5. Control V6. Control V7. Control V8. Control V9. Okay, so now if we press noughts and crosses, it runs. Ooh, that's not very good. That's not what we want, is it? Alright, the whole thing complete, which is fun. Okay. Okay, I need to do some things. Hold on. And just let it load a second. Okay, it's 2. Right. Why do you think I'm dragging when I'm clearly not dragging? I could not be, it could not be more clear. What the fuck? That I am not. Why? Dude, that is so scuffed. Seriously, I'm just tapping my mouse. Visible is false. Good. Visible is actually false. And then enabled is false. Good lad. Give it a second, alright? Shift. Thank you. Visible false. Stops me from having to write out a bunch of codes multiple times. And enabled is false. Okay, good. Okay, now Control S. Start noughts and crosses. There should be a white screen. Oh, dude. And if you hit any of these, and if you restart, okay. So I need to fix the reset button, but we've gotten noughts and crosses fixed now. It's done. It's Dunzo. Dunzo Washington. It's Denzel, but you know what I mean. Okay, so now that we've got that, let's fix the reset button. So at the beginning of the form, we have all of these to be false. Oh, this is not going to be easy work. Okay, Control C. 1, 2. Oh shit. Control Z. Control V. 5, 6, 7. I don't know. Hold on, so 1, It's Pico 4 on. I need it to be like 3 sets of 3s. Okay. I need to. Okay, there we go. I need to do it in 3 sets of 3s, otherwise this is just going to drive me insane. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Control C. Enter, Control V, enter, Control V, enter, enter, Control V, enter, Control V, enter, Control V, enter, enter, Control V, Control V. Okay. So now it needs to be 2. Let's take that back. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And get rid of these unnecessary spaces now that I can count them. I'll keep the spaces in between them to just make it clear like what's what. You see, this is why I thought an array, Control C, would be pretty poppin', because yeah, it would be very, very poppin' if we could do that. Okay, but now if we control this, hit Noughts and Cross's start button. Hopefully. Oh, we have the start button. New game. Look at that, man. We have officially coded Noughts and Crosses. This is fucking fantastic. Okay. So to clarify for the stream here, we have, in essence, coded Noughts and Crosses. Now, I must admit, there is no automatic scoring system. I don't know how there could be an automatic scoring system, if I'm honest with you. I have gotten the code down to be as small and concise as possible, but I cannot for the life of me tell you how you could get it to figure out whether there's 3 in a row. That is more complex than the coding that I'm currently capable of doing. But starting from nothing, 0 sketches, 0 plan, it took me pretty much an hour to get Noughts and Crosses coded, which is not bad. It's not that bad. I mean, we've been, actually, tell a lie, we've been streaming for 1 hour and 24 minutes, so it's probably a flat hour 30, because I did do a few minutes before streaming of coding. Damn, I'm quite surprised that worked out. Shit, okay. That's what I was going to hit Control S here. That's funny. Let's pop into you know what? I'm going to end the stream, because if I'm honest, it has been fun, but it's not changed anything. This VOD is not going to get uploaded to YouTube. It might get uploaded. Fuck it, yeah. I'll upload it to YouTube, because why not? Yeah, it's not a big deal. Alright. Cool. Bye now.